Have you ever seen these flowers or do you know its name? If not, then stick to today's video as we will discuss about this gorgeous night bloomer in detail.
Hey everyone, I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Let's get started.
This gorgeous flower is cactus orchid, commonly known as Brahmakamal in southern India. This plant belongs to cactus family and its scientific name is Epiphyllum oxypetalum. The flowers bloom only at night and gets closed by morning, and more interestingly, they bloom only for one night. Its flower buds emerge from the leaf and it takes couple of days to mature fully and then they bloom. The flowers look so delicate and the flower size is quite big as you can see, and they have very mild fragrance. This flower is considered as a very sacred flower in southern India, and even it is worshipped when it blooms at night. If we talk about its flowering season, they start blooming from mid-May till October, that is late monsoon. The plant can be very easily propagated by its stem and leaf cuttings, and I grew these cuttings in two pots 2 years back, and it started blooming after 1 year only. And this year in both the pots itself it produced about 26 flowers in just 10 days. You can grow this plant in full sunlight to partial shade anywhere and they will produce flowers. All they need is moderate watering, sufficient sunlight, and they are not very demanding for fertilizers or any extra care. So that's all I know for this gorgeous flowering plant after growing them for 2 years in pot from cutting. Get a plant if you don't get it in nurseries. I'll share a few buying links. You can buy this plant online, get it, grow them in pot, and share your experience.
I hope you find today's video helpful. That's all for today guys. See you soon with one more interesting video. Bye bye.